Are you looking for the best mops for hardwood floors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Mr. Siga Professional Microfiber Mop. Do you have large rooms with a lot of hardwood flooring? The best mop for you might be this one from Mr. Siga. It's got an expansive 16.5-inch floor plate for fast yet effective cleaning, combined with microfiber pads for dirt removal. You'll receive 3 reusable pads with your mop. This means you can use one and throw another in the washing machine. You do your bit for the environment by avoiding disposables, and you also save money. The set also includes a dirt removal scrubber for dissolving stubborn dirt that gets stuck on the floor. The stainless steel construction makes it lightweight and easy to move around. Plus, it's a lot sturdier than its plastic counterparts. Have you noticed that you slouch with your current mop? With the telescopic handle reaching up to 60 inches, say goodbye to an achy back and shoulders. Nobody wants to spend their whole afternoon cleaning. Thankfully, this mop has a larger floor plate than many other products out there. It's 16.5 inches in length. This may help you to cover more surface area and in half the time. At number 2. Bissell Spinwave Powered Hardwood Mop. Looking to step your cleaning game up a notch? Connect this mop into your power outlet, and you're ready to go. Even though this mop is powered, it's still pretty quiet, so you can still get chores done even if the kids are sleeping. Thanks to the double action, rotating mop pads, it requires minimal effort to clean and buff your hardwood. They're machine washable, so you can reuse them. Of course, you don't have to worry. It's totally safe and gentle enough for sealed hardwood floors. We like that this mop comes complete with 2 trial formulas to clean your floors. You can use them combined with the spray function, which might get rid of tougher stains or shoe marks. It has a 28-ounce tank capacity. There are also 4 spin mop pads included, 2 soft-touch microfibers, and 2 scrubby ones for a more thorough clean. The rotating mop pads do the scrubbing for you. Cleaning doesn't have to be hard work after all. They're made from soft microfiber for gentle cleaning, yet they effectively wipe away dirt. At number 3. Temple's Pride Professional Microfiber Floor Mop. This microfiber mop is a good addition to your cleaning armory. We all know that corners are notoriously hard to clean properly. But this one is designed to navigate into them with its 360-degree swivel. With 2 premium pads and 1 superfine dry-only pad included, this mop is suitable for a host of flooring. It works well on hardwoods, tiles, vinyl, or laminate floors. What's more, it's easy to store. You'll find a hanging hook on the end of the handle for easy vertical storing. You can adjust the telescopic aluminum handle from 29 inches up to 62 inches. We love the 360-degree smooth rotation of the mop head. This can get into hard-to-reach spots and corners around your home that can be difficult to tackle with ordinary mops. The telescopic aluminum pole can guarantee durability. While other materials may suffer from constant use, this one should stand the test of time. Its heavy-duty plate will also come in handy here. Plus, it offers a money-back guarantee and a 2-year manufacturer warranty. At number 4. Turbo Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System. Do you want a mop that swivels 360 degrees? Well, look no further than the Turbo Microfiber Mop. This is the best mop for mobility since it can rotate any way. Easily and quickly mop any room in the house, underneath furniture, in corners, and around obstacles. To make it even easier, this is a lightweight mop. It only weighs 1.2 pounds, so it's easy to transport and move throughout the house. Lastly, the handle is adjustable, so you can extend it from 35 inches to 60 inches, depending on your height. The large mop head is 18 inches wide, so you can quickly clean every room in your house, even the larger ones. This mop replaces the need for a messy bucket and cleaning solution. Instead, you can slide this across your floors, and it will pick up dirt, hair, and other debris. It works as a wet or dry mop. The microfiber looping design picks up and locks in all dirt so that you have cleaner floors than before. This turbo mop works on almost every floor type and other surfaces, too. This includes hardwood, vinyl, linoleum, cement, tile, and wood. But it also includes kitchens, bathrooms, windowsills, ceilings, tables, benches, and waxing vehicles. Whatever your job is, this mop can tackle it.